loves, and welcome back to my channel. So good to have you here. In case you guys are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Kelechi Mbemana, and if you are a returning subscriber, hi, welcome again and welcome back to my channel. So Instagram just recently announced that they've rolled out a new feature that is supposed to help kind of control as well as enhance the comment section. So again, if you're someone who gets a lot of hate comments, you can easily bulk delete. However, if you're someone who has a lot of positive comments or maybe comments that you want to highlight, you can now pin that comment to the first level. So if you have an Instagram account, it's very important to not only learn how to use it, but also stay updated with the features, the tools that they come out with and they come up with. It's really important to stay updated with it, especially if you use it for personal reasons, for business reasons. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys two new features that not only eliminates your hate comment, but also a new feature that would highlight and enhance and elevate your positive and the comments I basically want to bring and put forward and also highlight, right? So to get you started, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have updated your Instagram app to make sure that you have access to this new feature. So now mine is already updated. I just updated mine. So now that you have updated your Instagram app, you should now have access to this new feature. So what you want to do is you can just go over to your post, and let's use this one for instance. Let me open it up now. Luckily for me, because I have such an amazing community, I barely never get hate comments, and I'm so grateful for that. However, if you have some hate comments, what you want to do is to select whichever one you want. Let's say this one for instance. This is not a hate comment, but I'm just using that as an example, right? Over here we can see the trash or bin button, right? So now with this new update and this new feature, you can select multiple comments, hate comments, right, that you want to delete, and quickly delete that. So you can just click on the delete button and everything. All right, so another feature, which is a pin feature, and this is sort of like the opposite of it. Instead of deleting it, instead of eliminating it, now you want to elevate the comment. So if for instance someone says let me just pick one amazing comment. Someone says absolutely stunning. Let me click on this one, and we can see that we now have this highlighted, and on the top left, now on the top you would see this icon right here, this pin icon. Just click on it and that would immediately pin that comment and take it to the top, right? So again, we can scroll up to see that that comment has already been pinned. So now we are highlighting positivity. So if that is your vibe, then you can put it there. So if you want to pin another comment, let me just look for another one. Let's pin this one, and we can pin that as well. So you can pin between 1 to 3, but 3 is the limit. Let me pin another one so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now we've succeeded in pinning 3 comments that we want to highlight, and we have them over here. However, if I tried pinning another one, it's going to tell me that I have a limit. So again, the limit is 3 comments. So right now I can think of a couple of ways you can actually use this new feature to your own benefit in order to creating a more engaged community as well as a more interactive community. So for instance, you can highlight your most positive comment. You can highlight maybe a celebrity's comment. If someone, Beyonce for instance, commented on your picture, you can highlight that comment and put that on the top. If you get a lot of frequent questions, you can highlight the question and then answer it. So that way you can use that as a reference. If you have used up your description box, you can add more details to your comments and then pin that comment to the top to highlight that. So that way when people read your description, it kind of spills over into your comment section, and then they can see the other details that were not included. And if you are a brand, if someone leaves a testimonial or a feedback that is positive to your brand, again, you can pin that comment and put it up as a highlighted part. So that way when people come to your comment section, that's the first thing they see. And yeah, so if you're a brand, this is going to be very effective for you, and you need to understand and know how to use it as well. So yeah, these are things you can really use to utilize this platform. Again, it is free. If you use this for business, it is so free, so you need to really learn and understand how to maximize all of these social media platforms effectively. So this is a new update, and I believe and I know that it's going to help with community engagement and community communication as well. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. Instagram literally just rolled out this feature like 3 hours ago, and I decided to kind of film this spontaneously because I wanted to kind of be up to date with it as well and share with you guys as well. So yeah, I actually enjoyed this one. If you guys are new here, feel free to stick around with me by subscribing right here. It is totally free. It is fun here. It's amazing here, and you're not going to regret it. Also, feel free to check out my other videos as well. And yeah, thank you so much for sticking around till this point. You need to check out this one. Let's go.